стал играй.
Фотография твоя,
Ластки.
горят воспоминания о тебе у камина.
Holy cow! You will not believe what's been going on. Do you remember when we were in space? And I got all dusty, and I must have passed out because I woke up and you were gone. But Dr. Strange was there, right? He was like, "It's been 5 years. Come on, they need us." And then he started doing the yellow sparkly thing that he does all the time. What are you doing?